no experience or don't go to a bigger school where you have had a lot of people that have gotten into banking and you don't have that network, one of the things certainly you could do is really start with kind of a smaller investment bank, right? So kind of a regional boutique type of investment bank where you can at least get the experience, have banking on your resume, right? You kind of need, you need one bank on your resume to be able to kind of leverage, right? So if your ultimate goal is to go to, let's make it up, your ultimate goal is to go to Goldman Sachs in New York, but you go to a small school, in the suburbs, right? That may not have that type of network, I would probably look at a smaller investment bank first. That might be your easiest way. A lot of those guys, the challenge is there aren't that many roles, right? I mean, a lot of those guys have just-in-time hiring, right? They don't have formal programs. But if you leverage some of those to kind of work there a year and look at kind of the next big thing, it's another way to kind of do it. It's more work and challenging, and there's nothing guaranteed, obviously, but you kind of need experience to get up there, right? Unless you go to a target school. And that is if your target is Goldman Sachs, for example, right? I'm using them as an example. I'm not saying this is specifically to Goldman, right? But just using that as an example. And it's just, that's kind of one of the challenges, right? At the same time, guys, though, there are plenty of middle market banks